Alright guys, I picked this up from Home Depot. It's R105 skid steer. Use the wheels kind. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how it operated. Step into the cockpit here. These things are pretty inexpensive. They're renting about, for me, about $300 a day. So first thing first, look at all the cockpit here. It's ignition, fuel line, this thing take diesel, parking, gas throttle there. Key. Now this thing won't start until you got this lever here. You pull the lever down, as well as the seat belt need to be fastened. All right, so that's that. Now it's currently in park. So now you should be able to start it. This is in park. In order to move, you need to unpark it. So just like that. And it's two joysticks here. Left is to move the skid. This one's operate the bucket. All right. So let's move back. I turn this way, it rotates, kind of like a joystick, you know. See, I turn, push forward or go forward. Vice versa. Left, right, forward, backward. There's bucket. Down, push it down, hold back up. Turn it. It's a dump. Pull it towards you. It goes up, back, drop, down. That's it, guys. Very, very simple. All right. So this is, I guess, throttle. This is an auto throttle. You can have it high, have it low, or you can have it down here, throttle using your manual throttle. So